We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Ethan Oberst with the CattleFax update. The increased precipitation and cooler weather, as of recent, has had an effect on cattle this winter. Cattle performance and ultimately production, especially in the feed yards, decline as winter storms and temperatures can reduce consumption levels, causing a reduction in anticipated performance. Currently, there has been enough precipitation across the cattle feeding regions that carcass weights have started to decline, causing a reduction in fed beef production. Carcass weights do, however, typically decline during this time of year as winter weather starts to take effect. However, with the amount of winter precipitation, both in the form of rain and snow that we've received so far this year, carcass weights have declined more rapidly than the long-term average. As shown by the chart, you can see that the carcass weights, on a percentage basis, have declined more rapidly than both the long-term average decline and index decline for weather market years. This pattern should continue into the spring, limiting carcass weights and beef production. Pens stay wetter longer as shortened days and colder temperatures make drying conditions difficult to come by. These types of conditions can make for muddy pens. Yields can also suffer during this time of year as lack of performance and mud on cattle reduces dressing percentage. From the end of November to the first of the year, the average dressing percentage decreased by 0.7%, a large reduction when talking about changes in dressing percentages. This reduction can be attributed to both a lack of performance in the feed yards as well as cattle being shipped carrying dirt and mud. This trend looks to continue in the first part of 2016. Carcass weights and yields could continue to decline if precipitation continues to increase and/or weather turns colder. Forecasts show that precipitation is expected to be above normal levels over the next 30 days. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Ethan Oberst.
The CattleFax segment is brought to you by AgriClear. Buy and sell cattle in the United States and Canada with anyone, anywhere, anytime, with confidence. AgriClear, cattle marketing on your terms. Visit www.agriclear.com.